Speak these words to yourself daily and watch everything shift. What if I told you that the words you speak to yourself every day have the power to completely change your reality? Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror, and saying just a few words and then watching your entire life begin to shift. Sounds unbelievable? Well, what if I told you that this simple act of speaking can unlock doors you never thought were possible? Our words hold immense power. The language we use has the ability to shape not only how we see the world, but also how the world responds to us. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that when you say, "I can't," the task becomes impossible? But what happens when you switch that thought to "I can"? Suddenly you feel more empowered, more capable of taking action, and more likely to succeed. This isn't magic, it's the power of words, the power of self-affirmation. In this video, we're going to explore how speaking certain words daily can shift your mindset, boost your confidence, and draw success into your life. You'll learn how to speak things into existence and why the words you say to yourself matter more than you think. By the end, you'll be equipped with powerful affirmations that you can start using every day to transform your mindset and begin attracting the life you've always dreamed of. Stay tuned, because your reality is about to change. If you want to see how simple words can create massive shifts in your life, keep watching. Welcome to Divine Reality. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and join us on this journey to unlocking the power within. Let's dive in. Before we talk about the profound impact of daily affirmations, let's first understand why the simple act of repeating positive statements can have such a transformative effect on our lives. The human brain is constantly processing information, and it tends to believe what we tell it repeatedly. When we tell ourselves things like "I am enough" or "I am strong," we are sending signals to our brain that help create new neural pathways, rewiring it toward a more positive mindset. This is not just a motivational concept, it's rooted in neuroscience. Studies show that when we affirm positive statements daily, our brain becomes conditioned to align our thoughts with those beliefs. This process is known as neuroplasticity, where the brain adapts to new patterns of thinking. Repeating affirmations helps replace negative thought patterns with more empowering ones. As a result, we begin to view ourselves in a more positive light, which influences how we approach challenges, setbacks, and opportunities. Over time, these small but powerful changes build up, creating a mental environment that supports personal growth and resilience. Psychologist Dr. Jeremy Jamieson explains that affirmations are a form of self-affirmation, which has been shown to boost mental resilience. By affirming our worth and strengths, we activate brain regions associated with self-control, emotional regulation, and stress management. This means that every time you say something positive to yourself, you're not only strengthening your confidence, but also building the emotional tools to deal with difficult situations. When faced with challenges, you're more likely to stay calm and focused because you've already conditioned your mind to view yourself as capable of overcoming obstacles. Affirmations also help us to shift our focus from fear to growth. When we repeat positive statements, we are affirming our ability to handle anything that comes our way. This shift in mindset makes it easier to approach life with a sense of optimism, believing that no matter what happens, we can adapt and move forward. As renowned author and speaker Louise Hay once said, "You have the ability to heal your life, and you need to know that." Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine can seem like a small change, but it's one that can build momentum over time. Experts agree that consistency is key. Dr. Richard Boyatzis, a professor of organizational behavior, emphasizes the importance of routine and the effectiveness of affirmations. He suggests that when we practice affirmations regularly, we start to incorporate those beliefs into our behavior. For example, telling yourself "I am worthy of success" every morning doesn't just improve your mood, it can shift your actions. You'll start to make decisions that align with that belief, like taking on new opportunities or speaking up for yourself in situations where you might have previously felt hesitant. Over time, these small acts of repetition and consistency begin to compound. As you consistently practice affirmations, you begin to build a mental habit that reinforces positive thinking. You start to see the world through a more hopeful lens, and challenges no longer seem as insurmountable. Instead of being paralyzed by fear, you approach problems with confidence and a belief that you can overcome them. Affirmations are not just about thinking happy thoughts. They are about actively rewiring your brain to overcome negativity, tap into your inner strength, and create the life you desire. Through daily repetition, affirmations become a tool for transforming how you perceive yourself and the world around you, leading to a more empowered and resilient mindset. And this change, no matter how small it seems at first, has the potential to alter the course of your life. Before we talk about how to use affirmations effectively, it's important to establish the right mindset. Affirmations work best when they become part of your daily routine. The more consistent you are, the more powerful the impact. Experts recommend incorporating affirmations into moments when your mind is most receptive, like in the morning right after you wake up, before bed, or even during stressful or challenging times. These are the moments when your subconscious is more open to receiving new beliefs, and repetition during these times can help anchor positive changes in your mindset. Morning affirmations are particularly effective because they set the tone for the entire day. As Dr. Shad Helmstetter, a leading expert in self-talk and affirmations, points out, the first thoughts we have in the morning shape our mindset for the rest of the day. Starting your day with positive statements like "today is going to be a great day" or "I am in control of my thoughts and emotions" can prime your mind for success. Evening affirmations, on the other hand, are a way to wind down, release any negativity from the day, and plant seeds of positivity for the next. When using affirmations, it's crucial to speak with conviction and belief. This is where many people go wrong. They repeat words without truly believing them. However, when you speak affirmations as if they are already true, you create a stronger connection between your conscious and subconscious mind. Experts like Dr. Joe Dispenza emphasize the importance of emotional engagement in affirmations. When you repeat words with conviction and genuinely feel the emotions behind them, you signal to your brain that these affirmations are not just words but truths waiting to unfold. It's not just about saying "I am confident," but feeling the strength of that statement in your core. Choosing personalized affirmations is also key to making them effective. Your affirmations should resonate with your personal values and goals, which is why generic affirmations like "I am successful" might not have the same impact as those tailored to your unique aspirations. For instance, if you're working on building your self-worth, you might say, "I am worthy of happiness and success." If you're facing challenges in your career, try affirmations like "I have the strength and creativity to succeed," or "I am constantly growing and improving." When your affirmations align with your deeper desires, they become more meaningful and your mind starts working toward them with greater focus. According to Dr. Carolyn Leaf, a cognitive neuroscientist, the brain thrives on affirmation when they're aligned with your true self. When the words you say are in sync with your values, your mind accepts them as truth and begins to rewire itself to reflect those beliefs. This makes the affirmations not just words, but a reflection of the life you want to create. Personalization also helps in creating affirmations that address specific areas of growth. For example, if you're working on your health, you might say, "I honor my body and make healthy choices every day." If you're striving for emotional peace, you might affirm, "I am at peace with myself and the world around me." These personalized affirmations not only increase their relevance, but also make them more compelling and emotionally charged, making it easier to believe them and incorporate them into your daily life. Before we talk about specific examples of transformative affirmations, it's important to understand how the right words can influence different aspects of our lives. Affirmations are powerful because they target key areas like confidence, resilience, success, and love, qualities that are essential for personal growth and fulfillment. By using affirmations that speak to these areas, you can start to shift your mindset and make lasting changes in your life. For example, if you're working on building your confidence, an affirmation like "I am capable of achieving my dreams" can serve as a constant reminder of your potential. Dr. Wayne Dyer, a well-known self-help author, often emphasized that believing in our own abilities is the first step toward achieving success. Repeating an affirmation like this helps reinforce the belief that you have what it takes to reach your goals, no matter the obstacles that come your way. If resilience is an area you'd like to strengthen, consider an affirmation like "I am resilient and can overcome any obstacle." This is especially powerful in times of difficulty when challenges seem overwhelming. According to psychologist Dr. Kelly McGonigal, building resilience is about cultivating a mindset that sees stress and setbacks as opportunities for growth. An affirmation like this helps shift your perspective from being defeated by challenges to using them as fuel for your strength. For success and positivity, an affirmation such as "I attract positivity and happiness" can help you focus on the good things in life. This aligns with the work of Dr. Barbara Fredrickson, who pioneered research on positive emotions. She found that cultivating positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and love can not only improve your well-being but also help you build the resources needed for success. Repeating affirmations that focus on attracting positivity helps train your mind to look for and create opportunities for happiness and success. If love and self-worth are more of your focus, affirmations like "I am worthy of love and respect" or "I am deserving of happiness and success" can help reinforce your sense of value. Louise Hay, a pioneer in the field of self-help, often spoke about the importance of self-love and self-acceptance. She believed that when we affirm our worth, we unlock the door to greater love and abundance in all areas of life. Saying affirmations like these regularly can help you accept yourself and recognize your inherent value. As you experiment with different affirmations, you may find that some resonate more than others. That's okay. Affirmations are not one size fits all. It's important to tailor them to your personal needs and desires. For example, if you're seeking career success, you might say, "I am constantly growing and improving in my career." Or if you're focusing on health, an affirmation like "I am healthy, strong, and full of energy" might be a better fit. Over time, as your goals and challenges evolve, you can adapt your affirmations to reflect these changes, ensuring they remain relevant and empowering. Affirmations are most powerful when they align with your current aspirations, so don't be afraid to adjust them as you grow and evolve. Each affirmation you repeat is a step toward creating the mindset and reality you want. Start with a few that resonate with you and gradually build a powerful practice that reflects your highest potential. Before we talk about why consistency is key in using affirmations, let's first recognize that building any positive habit requires regular practice. Affirmations are no different. The power of affirmations isn't in one-time statements, but in their repetition over time. When you say positive statements every day, you're creating a new mental routine that shapes your self-perception and how you respond to the world. Consistency in affirmations helps to wire these positive thoughts into your subconscious. Studies show that repeated exposure to positive statements can gradually change how we see ourselves in the world. According to Dr. Norman Doidge, a psychiatrist and expert in neuroplasticity, the brain has the ability to rewire itself when we engage in regular activities that influence our thought patterns. The more you repeat affirmations, even simple ones like "I am worthy" or "I am capable," the more those beliefs begin to shape your reality. These repeated statements slowly become embedded in your mental and emotional framework, and before you know it, they feel like truths. In fact, even short and simple affirmations, when said consistently, can have a profound effect. Dr. Kristin Neff, a self-compassion expert, suggests that the key to affirmations is not in the length or complexity of the statement, but in how often we repeat them. Repeating something like "I am enough" or "I am strong" every day can gradually change your outlook and behavior. It's the repetition that makes these words stick, gradually shifting your internal narrative from one of self-doubt to one of confidence and empowerment. Even the simplest affirmation, when repeated with intention, can change how you approach challenges and setbacks in life. It's important to remember that consistency doesn't just mean repeating the same words. It's about making affirmations a natural part of your daily life. Shad Helmstetter, author of What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, argues that self-talk is one of the most important factors in shaping our behavior and mental state. When you consciously choose to speak positive statements to yourself every day, you're slowly rewiring your brain to expect success, happiness, and growth. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, but consistency will bring gradual changes. The impact of affirmations is cumulative. When you stick with it, the brain starts to believe the affirmations and your actions begin to align with them. This is why you'll see a noticeable shift in your self-esteem and mindset after practicing affirmations regularly for weeks or months. The more you reinforce these positive statements, the more natural they will feel, and the more they will shape your behavior without you even realizing it. Before we wrap up, remember that the changes you make in your self-talk, even small ones, can lead to profound shifts in your mindset and your life. What you say to yourself on a daily basis sets the tone for how you approach challenges, how you view yourself, and how you interact with the world around you. When you consistently affirm positive beliefs, you're rewiring your brain to believe in your strength, your worth, and your potential. Over time, this practice doesn't just change your thoughts, it transforms your reality. Start with just one affirmation. Pick a statement that resonates with you, something that speaks to where you are in life right now. Say it every day with conviction and watch as your perspective shifts. Whether it's a reminder of your resilience, your worth, or your capacity for success, affirmations can create a ripple effect that leads to lasting change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel, Divine Reality. Join us as we continue to explore the power within you to shape your world with the words you speak. Thank you for watching, and remember, your reality begins with the thoughts you choose to believe.